Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install and set up your Canon PIXMA MX712 printer on your Windows, Mac OS, or Linux device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and you want to search for Canon PIXMA MX712 support into Google. Best result should say Canon support for PIXMA MX712. Go ahead and open that up. And now that we're on this page here, you want to go and just scroll down underneath downloads and select software and drivers. Scrolling down again underneath the third section here, you want to locate the item that says My Printer. Select the download button that corresponds to it. And then once it's downloaded to your computer, go ahead and open it up. Should be a verified publisher, Canon Inc. Select Yes, and then proceed with the installation here by selecting the correct region and country, and then selecting the agreement for the end user license agreement. If you want to change the installation path, you can. I generally don't do that, so that was the final screen there. And then once that's done, you can create a shortcut on the desktop, which we're going to do. And if you open up this utility, you can see there's a variety of different printer settings you can modify in here. So if you are unable to access or connect to your printer, you can select the diagnose and repair printer option at the top. And then you can walk through various troubleshooting methods and guides that Canon provides to everyone through this utility. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.